The impact energy calculator for Charpy and Izod tests determines the energy absorbed by a material specimen during impact testing. Let's review the inputs for this calculator. First, you'll select your unit system from the drop-down menu, which offers metric with kilograms and meters giving results in joules, or imperial with pounds and feet giving results in foot-pounds. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, enter the pendulum mass m, which is the mass of your testing pendulum. Then input the pendulum radius r, the distance from the pivot point to the pendulum center of mass. You'll also need the initial angle alpha, where the pendulum starts before release, and the final angle beta, where the pendulum stops after breaking the specimen. Let me demonstrate with a test calculation. I'll enter pendulum mass of 10, pendulum radius of 10, initial angle of 10, and final angle of 10. After clicking Calculate Impact Energy, the results show absorbed energy equals 0.00 joules. The energy type indicates energy released check angles, which means we need to verify our angle inputs because when initial and final angles are equal, no energy is absorbed by the specimen. This calculator helps engineers verify impact test results quickly. Find the link in the description below.